Hi, thanks for coming back to my little crafty secret. I have many cards to share with you. Maybe, four, 8, 9 cards, and they're all for the challenges that I am taking part of in my channel update back in December. I wanted to take part of some challenges. Simon Says Stamp has 3 challenges and Lawnfawn has 1 challenge that I'm trying to really try hard to be entering and hopefully expand my creativity and challenge myself. That's the whole point of it, right? And use the stuff that I have. So for the Simon Says Stamp Instagram challenge, it's Let's Party. And so I have several birthday cards for the Let's Party. And I actually have a pair of twin nephews. And so I made some birthday cards for them. And I used, it's really cool. I actually used Lawnfawn's, I think it's Let's Croc or something. I forgot. It's the crocodile one. It's one of those mini stamp sets, and this came from a different stamp set, also from Lawnfawn as well. I used a pretty pink Pasha's stencil to color the backgrounds, and I did it in the colors that they like. So that's really nice. I like that, like the way it came out. Simon Says Stamp also has a Monday challenge, which, oh, there goes my clock, but it's 4-legged animals, and there goes an airplane. So sorry about the background noise. Anyway, I wanted to also enter these in that challenge as well for the Monday challenge. Here's just my standalone birthday card. It's really not for anybody. This is actually to enter the Lawnfawn number 141 Lots of Hearts challenge, and because it's Valentine's season, I just did them in red. And same thing here, You Crock My World. So these will go into the Lawnfawn number 141 challenge. This also is for the Simon Says Stamp Monday challenge, 4-legged animals, and this will go into it too. One's actually going to be for my dad. The alligator is a special animal in our family, and there's a reason why, but maybe more on that later. And because I had extra animals that I colored and die cut, I just made a second Valentine's Day card. Now, these are for the Simon Says Stamp Wednesday challenge, which is Fabulous Flowers. And this actually came from the Valentine's kit this year. And I thought it'd be great because I remember when I opened the kit, I had there was flower stamps in the kit, and there was flower ephemera, so I decided just to use it. I love this look. It is so graphic, so bold. It is awesome. Yep. And this is like, as I was coloring, actually, what I was going to do was color this in. And what I was doing first was just coloring the shadow with the gray marker, alcohol marker, and then I was going to color over it so it has more depth in the background. So, you know, as I was doing it, I thought this was so pretty. I just left it like this. And all I did was just kind of edged the panel here with black ink, Distress Oxide ink. Ah, that's gorgeous. Yeah, this one is interesting. Kind of reminds me of Alice in Wonderland. I think it's because of the hearts here. I don't know. I'm kind of iffy if I like this or not. You tell me. You let me know if you like this. But I was really trying to totally step out of my box. Truly trying to just use some stencils I do, masking stencils that I have. The stencil, this came in the kit. This, stamp came in the kit. This did too. Part of the stamp set. This part of the ephemera. But anyway, these 3 cards are going to be for the Wednesday challenge for Simon Says Stamp. These are going to be for a couple challenges, Simon Says Stamp, and also Lawnfawn. So anyway, if you like this project, share. I hope you did. I hope this gives you some inspiration on card kits, how what you might want to enter if you're entering into the Lawnfawn and SSS stamp challenges. Hopefully this gives you some inspiration, or even just inspiration for your Christmas, not Christmas, but your Valentine's and birthday cards. Until next time, thanks.